fruits. Children, I have already taught you some common fruits name in previous class from charts which are in the class. Now today we will learn some fruits name from the book. Children, all of you take out your books and we will learn some fruits name from the book. The name of the book already I have told you. The name of the book is Joy of Nursery Rhymes. And in this book, take out page number 43. Take out page number 43. See children, take out this page 43. Okay. Now we will start from the first fruit. Children, as you know, fruits are very good for our health. We should eat fruits daily. Fruits makes us strong and healthy. Before eating fruits, we should wash them. Before eating fruits, we should wash them. Now, this is apple. See children, it is there in your book. A for apple. A for apple. It is red in color. It is red in color and it is very good source of iron. We should eat apple every day. Now we come on the second one, banana. B for banana. Banana is of yellow color. Banana is of yellow color. Banana keeps our bones strong. We should eat banana every day. Now we come on the next one. This is orange. O for orange. The color of this fruit is orange. It is the only fruit which is same like its color. Orange. Now we come on the next one. Pear. P for pear. It is of green color. And Mama used to make custard from this pear. Now we come on next one. Chiku. Chiku. C for chiku. C for chiku. You love to eat chiku? Yes, we love to. We all love